Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 60 of Building the Batmobile. I think we're halfway through with this. And this is the issue where we're finishing the Bat computer and indeed fitting it into the floor itself. We'll look at this first of all. We've got Shane, because we only did one episode of him, so we're going to do another one with Shane. December the 1st, 1966. So yeah. The one where Batman and Robin fight crime in the Old West. Okay, and then we're looking at Cataclysm in the comics. And in 1991 in Batman Year by Year. Getting towards what I would consider to be the modern era, but we're still, 30 years ago. Apart from that, we'll not worry about that now. Robin 2. Okay. Yep, all good things. Right, so the car parts. We've got the mobile crime computer. The computer window, red knob, blue knob, orange knob, silver knob, screens and switches. So we're building up the box, putting the screens on and the panels on the front. Windows, apparently. And then switches to be fitted to the front, and then knobs to be fitted around the screens. And then we're fitting that into the floor itself. Nice. Let's clear it out of the way. Let's get it built. Right, so we've got lots of parts today. I'm going to need some cutters because these are all on little sprues. So, yeah, what we're going to do first is bring back the mobile crime computer. We're going to fit the screen to the top. Pops in place. Not much of a screen, really. It's just multicolored checkerboard pattern, but there you go. That's what it is. And then we've got these to fit. They go from behind, like so, and are held in place with AAP screws, which will be these silver ones, 4 for each. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Spare. I'll get no, this screwdriver will be fine for that. So we'll get that in there like that, and then the screws will go in from the front like that. It does make them massive screws in the real world, but that's fine. She's obviously going to be in the trunk anyway, so never really going to be visible unless you open it up. And if you do open it up, you'll just be far too amazed with all the different coloured buttons and switches on it to worry about what might be an overly large screw. So let's get all of those in there, and then we can tighten them all up. I'll do the tightening up afterwards. Let's get the other side in first as well. So we can see what it's going to look like when it's finished. Go. Might as well get all the screws in. A lot of these issues and episodes are going to be very, very short anyway, so I might as well fill the time by getting it all together. If you're new to the channel, then do pop along, say hello, put a little comment in. Let me know what you're up to. If you're doing the build yourself, if you found me through that, or if you're a long-time subscriber, then you know that as well. Right, that is that. The switches, we're putting the far left is black. Far left is a red. Far right is a black. So we're going red, black, red, black. Cut these off of the sprue there. I'm not cutting anything else off. So the red one, far left. No, I'm going to have to get closer to get these in. Yep, right. I'm going to have to get my magnifier on to get in to put these in. So, but basically, red, black, red, black. I'll cut these off then, and we'll get them attached as well. So I'll see you in just a sec. So there we go. That's all the switches put on. I'll put them in random orientations of up and down and in and out. on and off. I don't think it makes any real difference. I've cut off the 4 button light things. We're going to go on there. It has a specific order to put them in. I shall follow along with that. They're holding in there particularly well. I might have to glue those in. Let's just see if any other silver one in there. Once again, tiny little things. With a pair of tweezers might make life a little bit easier. One end that's got a little rough end where it's been cut off through the hole, rather than having that visible. See on the silver bit than the others. It's going to ping everywhere, isn't it? Right, let's try that again. That one in there. Yeah, that's going to be a right pain. I shall do this behind the scenes and then bring in the car and get this attached to the base. Right, there we go. All up and done. Switches on there, little lights that aren't really lights. And 4 screws ready to attach it where it needs to go. And where it needs to go is on the back of our completed frame. Over these 4 posts there. Just like that, with the 4 screws holding it together underneath. I can't do that bit on camera because it's in the wrong angles and everything, but that's all I need to do is get those in. So that's it, another issue done. I'm quite happy with how that's come together. It's all good stuff. That's the job. Mobile crime computer. Funny things. Right, thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you for more very soon. I know I said I'd be showing you the free gifts this time, but that was a bit more building than I thought. Next time there's very little building, so I shall show you what I've got for free then. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye for now. You